Hey friends, if you encounter the error that with iTunes that it has an invalid signature error on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. Search for iTunes in the Windows search bar and click on the download pointing arrow in the right pane. Now select app settings. This won't fix the problem. Basically, we have to reinstall it, but just to be on the safer side, change this to never. Don't let it run in the background, and then you can uncheck both of these options here so it doesn't start up itself. Then terminate it, repair it, reset it. Okay, if this doesn't work, then we can consider uninstalling it, and to reinstall it, simply search for Microsoft Store and go to Microsoft Store, then search for iTunes, hit enter, and reinstall iTunes from here. Okay, you can reinstall it from the Microsoft Store and agree to all the conditions and everything and reopen it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.